Alright, so this video is pretty much just to show you guys what I did with my Parrot rolling spider mini drone, because anybody that owns this knows that when you put the settings to really fast or whatever, max speed, max tilt, everything like that, it goes pretty fast, but unfortunately the Bluetooth does not seem to work at all. So what I did was, the Bluetooth works, but it loses connection. It's like it's too fast for its own system or whatever. So what I did was, I got old skyviper I had, and I put its flight controller and whatnot onto the Parrot mini drone, so now it can go as fast as it can and not just lose connection and fall out of the sky or just sit there hovering waiting for me to get close to it. So let's put it, turn it on, see how it works. Got this little GoPro stuck on my hat. Hopefully it works. I don't know. Let's see. It's not a very clean build, but gets the job done, that's for sure. Try to get it somewhat level here. Alright, we're ready to go. Oh, and yeah.